Wowwy'z Workshop. Two brothers, one vision. Why, hello, my friends and family. What up? Wowwy'z Workshop. Now, I'm out here today, and I'll excuse the construction. You're going to hear horrible things in the background. It's just my life, man. It's what I live with. This thing's going to be going on for 2 years. Don't get me started. But this is what I wanted to share. Now, this is my old Wilwaukee. The model number, I believe, is 6034/21. And it's a really, really good orbital sander. But the old teeth on the pad have died. And I know lots of people will be like, okay, well, she had a good life, on to the next, right? But well, we can't do that so much because I don't have the money to just do that. But all it took was a couple of quick little searches, and of course Amazon popped up, and I just typed in that model number I just shared, and this handy dandy popped up. Now the numbers on here don't correlate because they had a whole bunch, like it's suitable for yada yada, all these different model numbers. Sorry, I'm just ripping it apart there. But basically what it said is a four screw hole, 8 air hole backing pad. And see, that's brand new and ready to go. So I got to work on this little guy today a little bit. I'm just cleaning up the antler part. The carving is all done. That's an antler wood spirit. And I got an idea for the hat from my ma. She showed me some pictures of how to utilize that part of the antler and make a little hat. Now, I have a maker's video for that guy, and if you want to go, please do check that out. It's how to carve a wood spirit in deer antler, maker's video. That'd be great if you could do that. Whoops. So I need my sander to be on check to do that. So it has this weird starry one, but I don't know if I even have those, but I do have a flathead. Well, let's try this out. Okay, well, you could tell that there was some, I was thinking about that, and I was wondering if there's any, do they use Loctite? Because it's a, this thing is always vibrating. So, it's one of those things that you wonder. And yes, I'll tell you, I'm giving it a good crank to make it crack like that. If anybody out there does this. Alrighty. Sorry about it. Okay. Pretty much. I can see that it's not 100% centered there. I don't know. But I'm not going to start messing with that stuff because it was working just fine. So I'm going to see if these holes line up. Sorry. Yeah, they seem to. Okay. Okay, there's, these little guys are in there pretty good. Okay, that got it out. Give me 1 sec. Pop. Pop. So how's everybody doing out there? It's a lovely day on Vancouver Island. It's supposed to get up to 26 or something today. So I got the old sunscreen on. Okay. But I'm under a tree right now. Got my eye on Noni. She's a naughty little kitty. And as soon as I take my attention off something, she gets into something. Old Noni do. Old Noni do. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, this is obviously very, very finicky on how you get it to go into the hole. Well, there's one. Okay. Jeez. Louise. Oh, yeah. See, well, oh, got her. All right, I'm getting the hang of this better. You just got to manhandle it and get her in it. As we say in the workshop, do it to it. All right. Now, I will get one of those frickers to line up. That one's tight. Now if this one goes, we are in the clear. And it has. Oh, folks. Look at that on live television. Oh, and one more. Come on. There. I have cranked it on there good and strong. Let's just, I'm gonna give it one more round of cranks. You can tell it's certified by the grunt. Yeah. Wow. And I'll just quickly, sneaks. I had to plug in the old extension cord. Let's see. Oh no! She is back in action. Well, there. That was a good little on-site live changing of the Milwaukee Orbital Sander backing pad. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'm going to clean that up now. Time to do it. Until the next one, folks. Much love. And I certainly did do it. And that baby works just like new. That's awesome. But that Antler, though, does that stink? Why do you always smell it twice, Wowie? There's Poppy. Oh, she's been a naughty one this morning. Yep, pooped on the stair landing, that one did. There's Noni way back there. See? She's watching for lizards. Much love. Now, we are both Kutzall affiliates and Amazon associates. And if you buy through our Kutzall link, you'll get a discount. Also, as for the Amazon, I'm going to put the link to this backing pad downstairs in the basement. Video description. If it's not available in your country, I apologize, but I'm going to put the link there. We're doing our best. Thanks for watching, everyone.